What helps repair and build muscle and body tissue? Protein helps repair and build your body's tissues. It drives metabolic reactions, maintains pH and fluid balance, and keeps the immune system strong. It also transports and stores nutrients and can act as an energy source. Protein is crucial to good health. Protein is an important building block in the body because it's responsible for supplying amino acids that are used to create and repair cells. Tissues, hormones, enzymes, red blood cells, and antibodies. What vitamin helps repair muscle tissue? B-complex vitamins give us the energy to repair, heal, and keep on moving. Studies show that B vitamins help to metabolize the protein we need to make new muscle cells, as well as repair those micro tears that cause soreness. Peanuts are a powerhouse of nutrients that can have a tremendous effect on building and repairing muscles, bones, and other tissues in the body. They are rich in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Additionally, peanuts contain high levels of vitamin E, which has been shown to help with muscle recovery and repair. The magnesium in peanuts is important for bone health, as it helps to maintain strong and healthy bones. Peanuts also contain phosphorus, which is another crucial nutrient for bone health. Furthermore, peanuts are a good source of B vitamins, including niacin, which can help improve energy metabolism in the body. This can be beneficial for individuals looking to build and repair muscle tissue during exercise or physical activity. In addition to their muscle and bone building properties, peanuts are also known for their antioxidant content, which can help to reduce inflammation and support overall tissue health. Overall, the combination of protein, vitamins, and minerals found in peanuts make them a great addition to a well-rounded diet for individuals looking to support muscle, bone, and tissue health.